Hello everybody, welcome to Orangewood Studios, and today we'll be designing an e-commerce web UI for a website that sells bags. So, to get started, we have our canvas. We'll select on the text tool and just type the brand name, which will go at the top in the place of a logo, because I don't have a logo for this website. It's just going to say K Bags. Whoops. Then, just make it bigger. Um, Push to the top of the canvas, right in the corners. Then change the text size to around 24, or even yes, change it to 24. Hold down shift and click the down arrow key twice and click the right arrow key 3 times in order to give it some spacing away from the walls of the canvas. Then hold down Alt and drag it and type home. Then we'll do that again and we'll type men and then again for women. Let's see. This will just be for the nav bar to get all our pages in. We'll just do it again. We'll write bags one more time. We'll just write more. Then we'll select all of them and align them all in a straight line, and then we'll click on the eco spacing tool. We'll change the font to a more thinner font, which will be single UI. If you don't have that font, it's a free font. Then we'll give it equal spacing one more time. We'll change the size from 24 to 16. Just drag it up there. Still a little too big. Let's try 10. So better. We'll just select the 4 first little links. Well, it's not links right now, but if this was to be coded, then there'll be links. We'll just keep the equal spacing. Some away. Okay, then we'll align the nav bar into the straight same line with the brand name, which is K-Bags. Then we will get our cart. We'll just make our cart smaller. It's white, so you can't see it. White and white. Just make it bigger. Then we'll select our circle tool and we'll just make a circle. We'll change the color and then we'll send it to back so our cart can come in front. We'll center our cart into the middle of it. We'll just make our cart smaller. Same with the circle. And then align that. Zoom in. There we are. Group that. Just make it smaller. And if you notice that the cart is not becoming smaller with it, When you do a group like that and you will make it smaller by the forms, only the shape made on XD, which will be the ellipse, will become smaller. Whereas for the car, we'll have to make it smaller by dragging it down with the mouse. So just aligning those all in the same line, straight line. Select on that, just make it smaller, be quite small. Just align it. Then select on them all, align them, ungroup this, and then just set the pen tool and just make an arrow pointing downwards. In order to make the size of this arrow equal on both sides, we'll just have to select each piece and push it in and push it out. So align that. We change the color, the same color as all of these. Remember to change the border color and not the fill color. Okay. Just push those in. Then we'll just grab this image I got from a website named Unsplash. You can get any bag image from any website where they offer free images. There's Pixels, there's Pixabay, there's Unsplash. I personally use Unsplash. So yeah, we get this image, drag it in, set on the pen tool. We just click on the edge of the bag and we make the size 0.1 so the border becomes thin. We have that thin border so we can go around the bag. Really helps. We just go up, just up. Sure you get all the edges right. Just off the bag. Keep on going up the bag. Top. Just at the top of the bag. Moving forward. Keep going up. Masking an image is probably one of the longest things in design. It takes time to get a perfect mask. But in the end, it's all worth it. Now at the other end, well, almost at the other end. Okay, and we're going down. Okay, down, down it. We won't mask the whole image because in fact we don't really need the whole image anyway. So we're just gonna cut it off here, go for the middle of the bag where the zip is. Zoom in down there. You just click. Then we'll zoom out. Give our shape some. First, when you're masking the image with a hole, this is what you'll need to do to get rid of the hole and make it be able to go through, so you can have just the proper mask. You wouldn't want a fill in the middle of your mask. So you just make a shape around what's blocking it, which is this piece inside the bag handle. Go down. There we are. And then we'll make the fill come in, and we'll select on our shape that we previously made and make the fill for that. And we'll select on both of them, and we use these tools to smash a hole in them so that we have a shape with a hole. So when we mask this image, it will then have a hole. So we'll copy this image, send that one to the back, make a mask of this, and there we are. We have half the bag now. Copy the brand name, and we'll just type shop We'll make it bigger and we'll push it onto our image, center it, changing, bigger, push it to the side, change the color to white, and bring our mask to the front. See, we'll leave stuff on front. Up there, and just come, right click. The shortcut will be Control Shift and close the bracket. Then we'll copy again and we'll write bags. Then we'll make the bags smaller. The bag's not going to be hiding behind anything, so we just bring them here. Okay, now that's that section done. Not almost done. So what we'll do is we'll get this a rectangle and put it at the edge of the box. We'll make it bigger. Well, size up. We'll ungroup these. We'll copy and paste or more. Group it. Push it into the box. Make the spots smaller. Make them more bigger. Then making them more bigger. Zoom in, ungroup. Just move our arrow up so it fits. Click down a straight line. In and out. Group them. Align it into the middle. Take the border away and change the color to the dark grey color, which really sets the tone for the website. Ungroup that. Select our arrow and change that to white. Remember, when you're changing the color of an arrow that you've made with the pen tool like this, you must change the color of the border and not the fill. Now, what we'll do, we'll copy, make it a little bigger. It's better to be smaller, push it in the edge. Just took the arrow out of place. Ungroup that. Ungroup that. Just center it all, line it. Then make a few boxes. Make one. Just make it smaller. Or no. Change the size 187 with the width, and the height will be 208, which is 208. Take the border away, copy and paste, bring it to the edge of the canvas, hold down shift, and bring it away once. Then we'll copy and paste, and push it underneath, and up, just under there. There we are. Selecting the first, we're going to need these bags to go inside. Put this bag in there, that one in the last one. There we are. Center them. Okay. Push that there. Push that down. No. Okay, we're selecting the box, change the color to a color on the bag, which was grey because it's a black bag. Checked it. Set the opacity down to give it that faded color. We'll do the same with the second box. We'll change it yellow. Bring the opacity down to 25. Make sure to take the border away. And this one, say red. Bring the opacity down to 25. To give it that transparent look. Take the border away. We'll change this one so that way. And we'll take the transparency down to 10. There. Make sure we get the borders away. Okay. Take the transparency down a little bit more. And then we'll copy this box right here. Make it bigger. Bring it to the front. Copy it. Take it to the next one. And we'll copy them both. See, not the same size. Select them both, copy and paste, push it up. Okay, we'll just write bye now. We'll change the font. We'll make it smaller. Okay. We'll just push it into the center. Align all of them. Okay. Okay. Well, we'll zoom into the home. Just make a bar underneath it using the pen tool. Center the bar with the home. Make sure the bar is centered into the middle of the word. You bring it up to the top of the canvas. Make its thickness 2%. And bring its transparency to 25%. There we are. This is the overall design. This is what you see on the top of their page. You can comment in the comment section below if you'd like to see us design the whole home page. But this is just the header of the home page, or the billboard of the home page. Make sure you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment in the comment section down below what you think of this this billboard. Also comment whether you like to see us design the whole home page. Comment if you want to see this billboard coded with HTML CSS. See you in the next video.